Hello everybody, how you doing today? We got a bit of a mail call. I got a few of these to open up. I have already opened up a few already, but I haven't opened them all up. I actually had these set aside to open during a live stream that I thought I was invited to, and it turns out I was not invited, so I just have these sitting around needing to open. So let's open them. I don't know exactly what they are. I do know what theme they are. As you can see, they are an adult collectible, not intended for children. So let's see what we have. I did open them up, though, to get the track out. But as you can see, I don't know exactly what they look like, other than the fact that I do know what theme they are. So let's get this open and see what they are. Okay. It is a Budweiser car with some Christmas on it. I don't know if they will all be Christmas themed, but they should all be Budweiser themed. So awesome. There's one. Let's get to the next one and see what that is. Okay. Did open a few of these and put them on the track, but not all of them. So this one is not a Christmas. Yeah, it is. Got the little brass, pieces of brass right there. Pretty decent. Some of them actually have come with steel wheels. These two have plastic wheels on them. I'll have to switch those out. But some of them do actually come with steel wheels. If that opens. Oh, even that little guy right there opens up. Okay. Cool. One on this side too. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one. Bigger one. You can tell quite a bit longer compared to the other ones. So let's see what this one is. Awesome. This is lighted, a lighted passenger car. Cool. Some of what I already opened was a bunch of the lighted passenger cars and put on the track a while back. I had these set aside. And I thought, what perfect thing would be to... I was invited to a live stream, and I thought, hey, let's open these up on the live stream. But that turned out negative. Okay, these are... Oh, those are the horses. Those are the Clydesdales, I bet. So this one is not Christmas themed. Let's not break that. Oh, there we go. That's all got the little metal rings on there. This one's not brass. The other ones were all brass right there. believe these would be the horses. Probably one horse goes in each side, looking through the little area right there. Get that up and take a look. Yep, that's what it is. That's what this other one would be too. Looks like about the same thing. Cool deal. All right. Let's move on to the next one. And that one is the oil tanker. It's Christmas themed as well. You can see that. And all little brass pieces and fittings around it. It's all brass. I'm surprised these got plastic wheels on them when they put all the brass up in here. And I know I got a couple of these that were not beer, were not Christmas themed, that had steel wheels on them, so it's a little different. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's see what that one looks like. All right. Oops, I was afraid of that. It just popped right off. There it is. A little bit of a bend in it. Bend that little piece of brass back. And put that back on there. There you go, guys. What do you think of that one? Budweiser Clydesdales. See, I got one more. Let's see what this one is. I think I got just as many on the track already too, so. And the matching locomotive. This is another passenger car. Lighted. Excellent. This is like half passenger car, half baggage car. Is that what these are? Yep, I see the light in there. So it'll be lighted like the other ones. I got about 5 or so of these lighted ones, and now I've got 2 more. So there's a good group of. Take a look at it. These are all brass. So the light will probably shine through these little cubby holes like they did on the other one. All right, guys, there you go. Let's come all in the shot here. I think we got them all in the shot, right? All right, let's go stick them on the track and take a look at them, huh? All right, now here's a look at the loco with just the passenger cars on it.